To perform the quad extension, have a seat on your machine and get firmly grounded by grabbing onto the handles and getting your feet placed underneath the pad. Then, exhale as you bring the quad extension machine up, flexing your legs, and come back down with a nice strong inhale. Exhale on your way up, inhale on your way down, and feel those muscles contract on top of your legs. Do your best to control the weight. You don't get extra points here for kicking it around. It's much better if you isolate your quads by controlling the weight. Keep your core engaged and don't get lazy in your posture. Complete with good form through all repetitions. This exercise is the quadricep extension, quad for short. We've got a machine here and we're going to use it to isolate the quadricep muscles, which are right on top of my thighs. Let's get into it. The quad extension is an amazing way to isolate the quadriceps muscle. That's one of the largest muscle groups in the body. It stabilizes the knee and teaches the knee how to work with the hip. Notice how Katie is maintaining excellent control through the full range of motion. Also notice how she's using her upper body to anchor herself down, keeping her core engaged, and keeping in great control of her breathing. Nice job, Katie.